Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. You just caught me inspecting the fantastic interior of this Vauxhall Astra we've just taken into stock. It is in fantastic condition. The interior is beautiful. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to take this fantastic car for a test drive. Let's take a look. Right, this is our Vauxhall Astra. Very low mileage, this car. It's only done 38,000 miles there or thereabouts. It is in very good condition. It comes with a 1.4 litre turbo petrol engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, 51 miles to the gallon on the combined cycle. It's got 148 brake horsepower. It's got 2 keys, remote central lock-in, and it's insurance group 16E. Now, it's a nice specification, this. It is Ulez compliant, and it has just been serviced by our independent workshop. They've also given it a thorough safety check. We do a safety check on all of our cars, pre-delivery inspection, and this car has passed that with flying colours, and also got a new 12-month MOT. So this car is ready to rock and roll. Really nice specification, including Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, DAB, but we'll talk about that when we get inside. Let me just show you any marks that I've seen on it. There are very few, if I'm honest. As you can see, the front is in very good condition. It's got LED daytime running lights around the front. I can't really see any marks, a very minor one just here. The rest of the bonnet looking good. The front bumper looking very nice too. Coming down this side, this alloy wheel, little minor mark at the top there, but apart from that, nothing to write home about. Tyres in good condition. Walking down the driver's side, wing mirror, good condition. A couple of little minor marks here. You sort of get that on all cars, don't you? Parking dings, unfortunately. Just show you inside the rear. As you saw in my introduction, a very, very tidy interior. ISOFIX points on both of those rear seats. Coming round the rear end, couple of little marks just here. I'll show you inside the boot. A decent sized boot. As you can see, very good condition. Split fold rear seats, parcel shelf is in place. Coming down the passenger side, this alloy wheel looking good. Plenty of tread on that tyre too. And then in terms of the passenger side, nothing really sticking out at all, apart from my shadow. Hello there. This wheel, couple of more marks on that, but still looking good. It's a 17-inch alloy wheel, these. No marks on the windscreen really sticking out that I can see, and the roof, all good condition. And this wing mirror, I think I forgot to mention, looking good too. Right, let's jump inside. Right, jumping inside, we have got 2 keys, as you can see. Get myself comfortable. I will start it up so you can see. There's no warning lights on the dash. We'll start down here though. We've got electric windows all round, electric mirrors. Down here we've got automatic headlights. You've got steering wheel mounted controls for your stereo, and on this side your cruise control and speed limiter should you want to use that. And as you can see, no warning lights on the dash. 38,582 miles to be exact. Just a handbrake and me not wearing a seatbelt. You've got air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, sport mode should you want to be Michael Schumacher, old reference there for you. You've got cup holders just here. And this is a fantastic system. You've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got your radio system here with DAB, and plenty of other bits and bobs. A very, very nice, easy to use screen. It's a 7-inch colour screen, as you can see. And then just down here, we've got the decent sized glove box, and the locking wheel nut is just there. Right, let's have a look at the history. Right, history-wise, made a few notes on that. It has been very well looked after, this car. It's had previous services in 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 2 in 23 at the start of the year and at the end, and 1 this year in 2025. So a full service history. It's fully up to date, first registered in March 2016. Now, if you like this car, we offer nationwide delivery. We can drop it to your door. Please get in touch with us for a quote to find out how much that will be. For the very latest prices on our cars, please check out our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We are very proud of being a 5-star dealership here. We're an award-winning dealership with awards from Auto Trader and other parties, and we're very, very proud of that too. So please check out our reviews. And if you'd like to give this car a test drive, I'm James. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address, and we very much look forward to welcoming you here to the Clever Car Collection to give this car a test drive, because it is absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been useful. We look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.